Hello, little explorers. Welcome back to our learning adventure. I'm your fun friend Pepper, and today we are going to meet some of the coolest and chirpiest creatures in the world. Birds. We'll learn the names of 20 amazing birds, and I'll share some super fun facts about each one. Are you ready? Let's spread our wings and fly into the birdie world. Here we go. Look at this chatty friend. It's a parrot. Parrots are famous for their bright feathers and their ability to copy what we say. Fun fact. Some parrots can learn up to 100 words. Isn't that awesome? Wow, look at those beautiful feathers. It's a peacock. Peacocks are famous for their colorful tails, which they fan out in a beautiful dance. Fun fact, only male peacocks have the big shiny tails. They use them to impress the peahens. Here comes the king of the skies. It's an eagle. Eagles are powerful birds that can see super far away. Fun fact, an eagle's eyesight is about 8 times better than ours. Wow, that's like having superhero vision. Say hello to the owl. Owls are night birds, which means they stay awake when it's dark. Fun fact, owls can turn their heads almost all the way around. Whoa, that's spooky. Here's a familiar friend, the pigeon. Pigeons are everywhere, especially in cities. Fun fact, pigeons are super smart and can even find their way home from very far away. Oh, look at this colorful little bird. It's the kingfisher. Kingfishers love to catch fish by diving into the water like little arrows. Fun fact, they can spot fish underwater even from above. Check out this fancy pink bird. It's a flamingo. Flamingos stand on one leg and love to eat shrimp, which turns their feathers pink. Fun fact, baby flamingos are born gray, not pink. Say hi to the crow. Crows may look simple, but they're super smart. Fun fact, crows can use tools to find food and even remember faces. How elegant! This is a swan. Swans are graceful water birds that glide smoothly on lakes. Fun fact, swans stay with one partner for life. Isn't that sweet? This cute little bird is a robin. Robins are known for their red chests and beautiful songs. Fun fact, robins are one of the first birds to sing at dawn. Early birds, huh? Look at this teeny tiny bird. It's the hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds in the world, and guess what? They flap their wings so fast, about 50 to 80 times per second, that they can hover in the air like helicopters. Knock knock, who's there? It's the woodpecker. Woodpeckers use their strong beaks to drum on trees. They're looking for yummy insects to eat or making holes to build a home. Tap, tap, tap. Brr. Look at these funny waddling friends. It's the penguin. Penguins can't fly, but they're excellent swimmers. They use their flippers to glide through icy water like little torpedoes. Fun fact, emperor penguins, the biggest penguins, can hold their breath underwater for up to 20 minutes. That's longer than I can hold mine. Check out this bird's huge beak. It's the toucan. Toucans have big, colorful beaks that look heavy, but they're super light. They use them to pick fruit, which is their favorite snack. Fun fact, toucans are great at tossing food in the air and catching it in their beaks, like playing a game. Say hello to the pelican. Pelicans are famous for their big throat pouches, which they use like fishing nets to scoop up fish. Fun fact, a pelican can hold up to 3 gallons of water in its pouch. Whoa, that's a lot. It's like carrying a whole bucket. Look at this tiny chirpy bird. It's the sparrow. Sparrows are one of the most common birds, and they love to hang out in gardens and cities. Fun fact, sparrows can hop around really fast, and they're great singers too. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Ooh, here's a cheerful little bird. It's the canary. Canaries are famous for their beautiful yellow feathers and sweet singing voices. People love to keep them as pets because they brighten up any home. Wow! Look at this tall and graceful bird. It's the stork. Storks are often seen standing in shallow water searching for fish and frogs to eat. Fun fact, storks are known for delivering babies in fairy tales. Imagine a stork flying with a tiny bundle. How cute is that? Here's a beach buddy, the seagull. Seagulls are often found near oceans and beaches, and they love snacking on fish and leftover chips. Oops! Fun fact, seagulls are great at catching food in midair. Whoosh! There goes a snack. Finally, meet the beautiful dove. Doves are gentle birds often seen as symbols of peace and love. They make soft cooing sounds that are so calming. Fun fact, doves are often released at celebrations to spread joy and happiness. Isn't that lovely? Yay! We've met 20 wonderful birds today. From parrots to penguins, from hummingbirds to doves, every bird is so special and amazing. Which bird did you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Until next time, little explorers, keep looking up at the sky and spotting new birds. Bye bye, chirp chirp.